Imagine gazing up at the night sky and knowing that somewhere out there, 434 light-years away in the Centaurus constellation, there's a star called J1407. At first glance, J1407 might seem like just another distant star, but it holds a secret that has captured the imaginations of astronomers everywhere. An incredible companion named J1407b. J1407 is a star much like our Sun, but it's cooler and a bit dimmer, with about 90% of the Sun's mass. This star is incredibly young, only about 16 million years old, which is like a newborn in the grand timeline of the universe. Because of its faint glow, you'd need a telescope to spot it in the sky. Now, let's talk about J1407b, the star's mysterious companion. It's not your typical planet. It's massive, much bigger than Jupiter, and some scientists even think it could be a brown dwarf, which is a kind of failed star that never got big enough to start burning like our Sun. Estimates of its mass vary widely, somewhere between 13 to 26 times that of Jupiter, but the exact number is still a bit of a puzzle. What really makes J1407b stand out is its enormous ring system. Yes, rings, like the one Saturn has, but on a scale that's almost unimaginable. These rings stretch out to a radius of about 90 million kilometers. To put that into perspective, they are about 640 times larger than Saturn's rings. Just think about that for a moment. If we could place J1407b's rings in our solar system, they would extend nearly all the way to the Sun from Earth. That's how huge they are! These rings aren't just big, they're also complex. When astronomers look closely, they see gaps in the rings, and these gaps might be caused by moons forming within the rings. These baby moons are pulling in the material around them, carving out paths as they grow. It's like watching the birth of new worlds right before our eyes. This whole process is incredibly similar to how scientists think the planets and moons in our own solar system formed billions of years ago. Since J1407 is so young, this ring system might be in a transitional stage where moons are still forming and settling into their orbits. For astronomers, this is an amazing opportunity to study how these kinds of systems develop and evolve over time. J1407b is like a cosmic laboratory, giving us a sneak peek into the processes that might have shaped our own solar system. Now, let's travel to another fascinating world, a planet called TRES-2b. This planet is located about 750 light-years away from us and orbits a star known as GSC 03549 02811. But what really makes TRES-2b stand out is its shocking darkness. TRES-2b is what astronomers call a hot Jupiter, a gas giant that orbits very close to its star. Because of this close orbit, the planet is incredibly hot, but that's not what makes it special. The real mystery is how dark it is. TRES-2b reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it, making it the darkest planet ever discovered. Imagine a world that's darker than coal, darker than the blackest night you've ever seen. That's TRES-2b. Why is it so dark? Scientists think that the extreme heat from its star prevents reflective clouds from forming in its atmosphere. Instead, the atmosphere is filled with light-absorbing chemicals like sodium, potassium, and possibly even titanium oxide. These chemicals trap the light instead of bouncing it back into space, giving TRES-2b its eerie pitch-black appearance. TRES-2b is likely tidally locked, which means the same side of the planet always faces its star. This creates a world where one side is in perpetual daylight, with temperatures soaring to around 1,100 degrees Celsius, 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, while the other side is forever shrouded in darkness. This strange planet was discovered by the Kepler Space Telescope, a mission dedicated to finding exoplanets by detecting tiny dips in a star's brightness as a planet passes in front of it. When TRES-2b was found, astronomers not only confirmed its existence, but also studied the subtle variations in its brightness caused by its star's gravitational pull and other effects. TRES-2b challenges our understanding of what planets can be like. It's a world where light goes to die, swallowed up by an atmosphere that seems designed to keep the planet in shadow. For astronomers, this dark planet is a reminder of just how strange and diverse the universe can be. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, both J1407b and TRES-2b offer us glimpses into the incredible variety of worlds that exist beyond our solar system. J1407b, with its colossal rings, shows us the early stages of moon formation, while TRES-2b, the darkest of planets, pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible. As we continue to explore and learn, these distant worlds remind us that the universe is full of surprises, just waiting to be discovered.